Engineers, today let's talk about the Flacker Conveyor Belt. This is a specialized type of conveyor system designed to move materials efficiently and reliably in industries like manufacturing, mining and processing. Unlike a regular conveyor belt, a Flacker conveyor is built with extra strength and durability. It handles heavy loads, sharp materials and continuous operation without breaking down easily. It's widely used where speed and toughness are required because it can transport raw materials, components or finished goods smoothly and safely. In short, the Flacker conveyor belt is the backbone of many industries, making production lines faster, stronger and more efficient. As young engineers, understanding machines like this is key to mastering real-world industrial systems.